Today, I'll show you how to change your name on your Cursor AI account. This will be a quick and simple walkthrough, perfect if you've just created your account, recently rebranded, or you simply want your display name to look a bit cleaner and more professional. First, make sure you're signed in to your Cursor AI account in a web browser. The process works best on the desktop website, so open your preferred browser and go to the Cursor dashboard. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign in with your usual credentials, and then you'll be taken to the main dashboard page. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top area of the screen where your current name is displayed. This is usually the name that shows up in your account header or profile area. Next to your name, you should see a small pencil icon. This icon is the universal symbol for editing, and this is what you'll use to change your name. Go ahead and click on that pencil icon. As soon as you do, your current name should become editable. In most cases, this will either open a small text field right where your name is, or it may pop up a simple edit box. You'll see your existing name highlighted or ready to be changed. Now, delete or backspace over the current name and type in the new name you'd like to use. This can be your full name, a shortened version, or a professional handle, depending on how you prefer to appear in Cursor AI. Take a moment to double check the spelling, capitalization, and spacing. Remember that this is what other people may see if your name is visible in shared contexts, so it's worth getting it right. As you type, make sure you're not including any sensitive or private information in your name. For example, avoid placing things like email addresses, phone numbers, or anything that looks like an ID or password in that field. Keeping your display name clean and simple is both more secure and more professional. Once you're happy with the new name you've entered, look for an option to save or confirm the change. Often this might be a check mark, a save button, or the change might automatically apply when you click outside the text field. If there is a save or confirm button, click it to make sure your new name is applied to your account. After saving, take a quick look at the top of the dashboard again and confirm that your new name is now showing. If it appears correctly, that means the change has gone through successfully. If it doesn't update right away, try refreshing the page. Occasionally, your browser may need a moment to show the latest information. If, after refreshing, your old name still appears, repeat the steps. Click the pencil icon, re-enter your new name, and save again, just to be sure the update registered. Also, keep in mind that if Cursor AI is open in multiple tabs or windows, you may need to refresh those as well to see the change everywhere. And that's all there is to it. You've now updated your name on your Cursor AI account using the pencil icon next to your current name on the dashboard. This small adjustment can make your account feel more personal and aligned with how you want to present yourself.